Ready.
I know. I can't believe I could see him through the camera.
Go ahead, girls.
This is our little experiment.
Go play. Get her, Jazz.
So you can't see me.
Get her, Jazz. Get her. Get that girl.
Or can you see me? Can you see me?
Jazz.
No, you see you can't see me.
Go get her.
All right. Little light snow here on Christmas Eve.
Our pretty yard is now torn up.
And I can't see you either. Maybe you can through the camera. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Get her, girls. Get her, Jazz.
Can't get it to focus. I don't want to have to post a shitty video. I might have to, though.
Be really careful.
Holy shit, it's really, yeah. Oh, it's still snowing a little bit.
Jasmine's rolling in it.
What a... Do the grinder. Why is it snowing on me? I'm underneath the...
Because it comes in. Just watch her. She's hysterical.
Well, here. The hardest part is keeping it in focus. I'll trade you.
I can't. I don't even see her.
She would be the white dog in the snow. You hear that noise?
Yep. Hear it all the time.
What is it?
Sounds like something at Buckley.
No, it's getting louder.
I think it's coming down the road.
Keep it rolling.
I'm trying, but I can't see her. I'm not good at this.
Sounds like an electrical line. You don't want Brandy involved in that. She'll
No.
get hurt.
And she doesn't understand either that this is how they play.
Oh, Brandy just wants to be a part of it. The problem is she's too fragile.
No, the biggest
That's
problem
why we
is
call her Band-Aid.
she bashes into June and bites her hard, and Jasmine goes to defend June.
I know, but still.
So I have to tell
Brandy
her now.
doesn't understand. You know, these two have been together, what, 3 years?
And I don't know how long
Band-Aid.
before we got them.
It'll be a year just after March, won't it?
Yeah. Come on, girls, tear it up. Get her, Jazz. Get her. Get her. Come on, tough girl. Jasmine. Well, I'm not going to stand here and video them sniffing snow and sneezing.